So you ready? So we actually are going to the next Halachah number 7.
Yep.
In chapter number 2. And it says, so let's read without commentary. 1 second. Let's see. So it's the last Halachah of this chapter.
Mm-hmm.
So it says, one should neither be constantly laughing and jester, nor sad and depressed, but happy. Our sages declared, jesting and lightheadedness accustom one to lewdness. Very simple.
Mm-hmm.
They also directed that the man should not laugh without control, nor be sad and mournful, but receives everyone even in a friendly manner. So you see, all of these people who laugh, like they also always have to giggle. Everything has to be fun.
Like, even when they say something, like they laugh at themselves. Almost,
yeah. What's the difference? Yeah, it's like it's all about attention, and usually, 100% of the time, it's empty people, empty and very depressed. Just if you know that somebody is laughing loud and this and that, empty and depressed.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Similarly, he should not be greedy, rushing for wealth and possessions, nor lazy and idle from work. I mean, people have to work, as you said, toil in Torah. So when you learn Torah, you also get tired, also suck your energy out.
Yeah, it's very.
You understand? So it's also work. So, but he cannot just lay on the couch and do nothing. Right?
I know laziness is a huge killer. This is like one of the things that most people, I think, have. I mean, it's just a natural tendency for the body to be lazy, right? Like, come home. And I don't know. This was one of the things that I had a big issue with before I became religious. But then after I became religious and I started reading and learning, I was like, oh man, what does Hashem think? I'm just laying in bed. I gotta do something, So I would study, and study and work, and then after I got married, it totally stopped making me lazy because there's no laziness in marriage.
There's almost so many things to do. Exactly, so many things, and helping your wife, show your affection, stuff like it's very important.
Especially getting ready for Shabbat. Like even before I got married, like you have to clean. Like it's Shabbat. Like you just have to do it.
Yes.
So,
all
right.
Rather, he should be of a goodly eye, and limit his business endeavors, so that he may occupy himself with the Torah study. So that's everywhere, like Rabbi Reuven says many times. So when a person thinks of what profession he should get, so he has to take into consideration how much of time it's going to take to go into this business, right? Like I don't the way I see it, maybe real estate, they're getting calls all day long, right? This I think. Right, so
that's what it is. I used to do real estate.
Yes, that's what it is, right?
That's what it is.
You call them. The guy wants to see apartment now. It's 9 p.m. Now. Tomorrow. You know what? I'm very interested. The guy is not interested. I mean, he's like 3 months from now. You understand? So you have to get up, stop whatever you're doing, and go. Or some like some other things, like it's nonstop. Like in IT, it's like slavery. All right, so basically you have to pick up some profession, whatever is it, that you can have time for Torah study. He should be happy with the little which is his lot. So usually people not happy, they only think with whatever they don't have. Right?
Mm-hmm.
He should not be quarrelsome.
Oh, I lost you.
Sorry.
No.
I don't know what happened. I put myself on do not disturb. Maybe you have iPhone?
Well, I'm on my computer, so.
Okay. I know. I put myself on do not disturb, meaning I want to block all of the calls.
Oh, I don't know.
But
it's okay.
I don't know. Somehow they. Okay, so I'm going to ignore that. Okay, so sorry about that. He should be happy with a little his life. Okay, so basically, whatever you have, be happy. So I mean, me and my wife were very good in it. Whatever we have, very happy. The whole family, actually. Yeah, the whole family. He should not be quarrelsome, on envious temperament, full of desires, not pursue honor. The sages, so we're going to go into details about all these things, of course. The sages have said, envy, desire, and honor remove men from life in this world. It's from Perkiolus. Great, right? The general principle is that one should follow the midpoint quality of each temperament until all his traits and ailments are at midpoint. This is what is implied by Shlomo's statement. Make even the turning of your foot, and make all of your ways firm. Okay. So, of course, it's not so simple. We're going to discuss what it means.